Okay, so back there you got my 2022 Road Glide Limited, and I just got a new antenna. It's so small that I want to show it to you guys. This is the regular antenna that comes in the motorcycle, and as you guys can tell, this thing is super huge, and I just didn't like it, right? It kind of takes away from the style on the bike. So let me show you the new one that I got. This thing is ridiculous small. Okay, so here it is, very, very small. Like I said, this thing is ridiculous. If you compare to the regular antenna, you can see from here to here. I mean, you can't even compare that, right? This is pretty big, and this is super small. Just in case, here's my finger. I'm gonna put my finger right next to it, and it should give you an idea on how small it is. It is from a company named Hotwork, which is very popular in the community of motorcycles. And the only thing maybe you got to take a little bit of time with to get it aligned perfectly, it's going to be the brand. Right behind here, there is the brand of the company. And as you can see, it's facing the other way. Maybe it would be kind of cool to put it facing this way. But again, you got to take your time to kind of line it up the right way. In my case, it's not a priority to me. So again, I didn't worry about that. So this is going to be compatible with baggers 09 to 2024. You can see mine right here. This is a 2022 Road Glide Limited. And I'm just going to give you a look from this side. Here's the trunk. And as you can see, here is the antenna right there. Very, very small. I don't listen to my radio as much when it comes to radio station. I typically listen to my cell phone, whatever music I'm playing. But as of now, I'm able to get radio station, and it seems to me that it works just fine.